This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Update the Facebook app now and restart your device to clear transient glitches. Once done, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues because stable upload is critical. Make sure the image file is JPEG or PNG under 30 MB and matches story aspect ratio so Facebook can process it. You do this first because most errors happen from outdated apps, flaky connections, or incompatible files. Fixing these removes common blockers fast. Next, you prepare and reprocess the image to eliminate format problems. Open it in your photos or an editor, crop to a 9:16 aspect ratio, and save a new copy so you preserve the original. Then export at 1080 x 1920px or compress to under 30 MB. Use roughly 80% quality to retain appearance while ensuring upload. Once exported, clear Facebook cache on Android or offload the app on iOS so the app loads fresh components. Finally, upload the freshly processed image to your story and watch the progress. Wait for the processing indicator to finish before navigating away because interruptions cause failures. If you still get an error, log out and reinstall the app or use Facebook Lite as a reliable fallback. These steps reset problematic app states. If problems persist, test uploading the same image from another account or device to determine whether the issue is your account, device, or Facebook itself. This isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.